Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Miside on mobile. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. It will work on iOS, iPhone and Android. It will also come with everything unlocked for free, like all outfits and clothes. The best part is that you will not have to spend any money on this at all. So you guys might be wondering how to do this. But before I show you guys how to install it, if you're on iOS or iPhone device, we have to change some settings in our phone really quick before you can download it. If you're on Android, you don't have to change any settings. Only iOS devices have to make the changes. So first, go into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This is very important and can mess up the install if you leave it on. After we get the app, you can revert all your settings back to normal. So don't worry, it's just for the install. Then after you turn off low power mode, go into general settings, then find background app refresh option and make sure you have it turned on to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It cannot be off. If it's off, it can also mess up the install. I'm now ready to get our app installed. So what you have to do is go to this website called pluginsurf.com. This site has a bunch of tweaked apps and games that we can download for free without needing a jailbreak or anything complicated. So once you're on the site, go to the search bar on the site and type in Miside. Now tap the app and then click the button that says Start Installation on the pop. Then once it loads, there will be one last step. We must do so. You will see something like this pop up. So before you can use the full app, you will have to complete 2 or plugins from the list. Basically, for the app to fully run and load, it needs this, and it is required for the app to work, but it's simple. You just tap the app or plugin and read the instructions and do exactly as it says. Then once you've done one, installation will start and your game is on the way, and you will enjoy it on your mobile phone. And that's it, you are done.